I thought it would be easiest to explain the problem I'm having with the video. This is my Mark IV, and the problem is occasionally when I pull the trigger, it doesn't fire. Okay, I just installed the Tandem Cross Victory trigger on there today, and that, after I installed that, that's when the problem started happening. So right now, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fire. So, so there we go. I'm gonna rack the slide, and it might fire. Nope, it doesn't. So that's the problem I'm having. Now, it's not the over travel screw, because you just saw it fire, and that's all set exactly right. Okay. I actually know what the problem is. I just don't know how to fix it. So let me show you. Let me take it apart. So, I think the problem is in the trigger bar. Sorry. So I purposely don't have my, so here's the pin. So I have that ledge on here, which serves as the pin for the trigger. I don't know what we call it. But anyway, watch this. I'm going to pull it out just a little tiny bit, and you're going to hear a little tiny click. There it is. I'm going to push it back in. Now, when I did that, the trigger bar sort of reset, and it actually moved up a little bit. Now, if I fire the gun, it's going to work. I'm going to hold the hammer. Came up no problem. If I push it down, pull the trigger again, it'll fire. If I push it down, pull the trigger again, it'll fire. But watch this. If I put it down and then I press down just a little bit on that trigger bar like this, doesn't fire. So that's what's happening. Obviously, I'm not, when the gun's put together, I'm not manipulating the trigger bar or anything, but it's going down on its own. So if I pull out this pin, push it back in, it's sort of reset again, and I could put it back together again, and I could fire it. When I rack the slide, it probably won't fire again. So something's going on with that trigger bar, and I don't know what. I don't know how to fix it. I've taken it apart, tried to put it back together. But yeah, the thing, I can repeat the problem, as you can see, just by pulling it out, sort of resetting that bar. So I'm not sure what's going on there. If anybody has any idea to help me, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.